guys, I'm here to show you how to ride the SwagCycle electric bike, the newest portable transportation device from Swagtron. The SwagCycle can get you around town in style, is compact, and it will even charge your phone. To get going, first turn on the SwagCycle by pressing the power button. The front and back brakes are on the handles just like any bicycle. Rest your feet on the front wheel. You can turn on the front light by switching this button. To accelerate, twist the throttle on the right handle towards you. Okay, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Now get out there and have some fun. Always be careful to obey all traffic laws when you ride.
TOMOLOO's three-wheel electric skateboard Dragon Knight H3, designed for skateboarders. Its appearance draws inspiration from the Nordic mythology Dragon Frey, with a strong degree of identification. Applied for appearance patents in many countries around the world. The most exciting thing is that this skateboard is equipped with TOMOLOO's global innovation steering mechanism invention technology. Effectively solve shock absorption, improve the ability to overcome obstacles, make the move more flexible, riding experience always comfortable. At the same time, TOMOLOO uses more humanized design. Smart digital display makes the speed, power, and mileage clear at a glance. Turn on Bluetooth to enjoy wonderful music. Removable battery design for longer battery life. Folding design makes travel more convenient. Standard advanced, reliable, and stable electronic control system. Achieve startup, brake, and people in one, always in a stable state. There are 3 speeds of 10 kilometers per hour, 18 kilometers per hour, and 28 kilometers per hour. TOMOLOO Dragon Knight H3. This is a very subversive 3-wheel electric skateboard. You can experience by your ride. TOMOLOO will accompany you to explore the unknown world ahead. TOMOLOO. Dare to dream create future.